Welcome to the CI 36 10 online project management classes. And you'll be working with me. I'm Dr. Charlie Chen. And for today, I want to spend a couple of minutes talking to you important concept in chapter 1. And then move on to the class exercise I want you to complete. And after the class exercise is complete, I would like you to spend some time looking for your team member and start completing your first group assignment. So let's move on. So first, for you to learn about project management, you have to have a clear understanding about major characteristics of projects. So a project is a one-time deal because you are going to have a specific sponsor telling you exactly what they want in terms of the cost their requirement and how much money you'll be given, resources, and time you'll be given, equipment, resource, so on and so forth. And so given those constraints, what you're trying to achieve is to make sure your project sponsors happen. In the textbook, they also mention about the difference between project and programs. A programs is a series of coordinate relating multiple projects. So for instance, project, taking this course, it's a project. But to graduate, you need more than these courses. So completing all course required for business major is considered programs. So here you have seen the difference. And also to implement a project, you have to know a project has a life cycle because there's a starting date, there's an ending date. So you want to know exactly when you want to start your projects. Who's going to define the projects? How you're going to plan, execute, and close. So that concludes my chapter 1 presentation.